All right, first one is Gauge Buster. That's 7 inches. Woo -hoo -hoo -hoo. 7 inches. That's the biggest one I've ever caught. All right, let's put this guy there. There are the crabs that were caught on this jetty. That's 7 crabs, I believe, in there. Good size. The biggest one was 7 inches. Incredible. 6 nice crabs from the other day. Still pretty lively. That's 6. All right, as you've seen on my previous videos, this is how I properly dispatch them. There's like a nerve system right here, right in the middle. Just stick a knife and kills them instantaneously. So just a little you know, stab right there in that spot kills them. That's it. And I've already done it to these guys, the guys right here. All right, just right here in the middle of the abdomen right here. I know that bothers them, but right here, right there, he doesn't like that, but right there, that should terminate them. So that's it. Okay, next step is we'll use the bucket right here. We'll use the bucket this time. So basically, you want to hold it right here. Actually, I'm going to pull this off. So basically, you want to try to split them right here. All right, here you go. Let's try. I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. So hold it right here. Put your thumb on the middle there. And hopefully, the bucket will stay in place. Ready? Just like that. Twist it off. There's the meat. Okay? Just twist the other side, and all that stuff is just going to go in the bucket. Now, we take off the gills. Okay? And all this little stuff here, you can just shake off in the bucket, like that. Never gets dirty. Just shake it off. There you go. All that meat. Don't really have to touch the insides at all. We're just gonna have to rinse them a little bit. All right, let's do this one. Put all that stuff in there. The mouth. All right, pretty much that's clean already. Just shake it a little bit. It's good as gold right there. Nice and clean. That's how to dispatch it. So I'm gonna do it for the rest of the crabs. Now let me demonstrate again. This guy's gone already. Just take it like that. When I just smash it right here in the middle. And here we go. Take the 2 legs or 3 legs, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay. Aim. Fire. Right there. Just like that. This should just twist off. Do it like this. Twist off opposite sides. There it is. Shake it off in there. There you go. Clean meat. And then twist off. Take off of that. Take off the mouth. And there you go. Nice and clean. Gotta get the gills on this one. And the mouth. Okay, pretty clean. That's how to do it, folks. Now I'll just have to rinse these guys and do the rest of the other crabs. All right, guys, ready to prepare the crabs. Just put about 3 tablespoons of sea salt in there and lemon. Gonna boil it. Once it's boiled, I'm gonna add the crabs, but I'm gonna do it in the backyard. All right, it's on. All right, here we go. Crab time, crab cooking time. So I just put like maybe 3 tablespoons of salt, sea salt, and maybe a couple small lemons in there. And I'm gonna cook the crabs for about 15 minutes, that's it. All right, let's go get the crabs. All right, here goes. All the crabs are clean. It's boiling. Just put it in there for 15 minutes, that's it. 15 minutes. That's a lot of crabs. That's 6 crabs. Some are going to be steamed, I guess. All right, 15 minutes. There we go. Cover it up. Ready to go. Man, I can smell the lemon and the salt and the smell of that. Oof, this smells good, the broth. All right, guys, it's been 15 minutes. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Look at that. You know, these crabs can be vacuum packed and just stored in your freezer if you can't eat all these crabs in one day, if you're not gonna have a party. So, looks pretty good. Beautiful. All right, guys, they're all done. It would be a shame if we don't try it out, right? All right, ingredients were just lemon, salt, and pretty much that's it. 15 minutes of boiling. All right, let's give it a try. I'm just gonna try this little pinky right here. Let's peel it off real quick. Sorry for the constructions in the background. How this tastes right there. Very sweet. Woo! Man, that is so good. You got to try these, guys. Again, thank you for your support. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. All right, laters.